You can trust, guaranteeing the release of all liability to your timeshare in writing and at a specific time. My friends have helped over 18,000 owners legally and permanently get out. Start the new year off right with a free, no obligation consultation at 844-284-4864 or at LoneStarTransfer.com.
If you're in the market for a quality firearm, Repeating Arms has you covered. Henry has 200 models to choose from in a variety of calibers and finishes. Everything from 22s up to long-distance hunting rounds. Plus exciting new releases through the year. All made in America and backed by a lifetime warranty. Find the right by ordering our free catalog at henryusa.com. We'll mail it with free decals and a list of dealers in your area. That's henryusa.com. Listening to the Dan Bongino Show on the Bay Area's home for conservative talk on your radio and smart at 560 KSFO.
Balance of Nature is fruits and vegetables in a capsule, changing the world one life at a time.
I'm in the medical field, and I think when you start out these things, everything from the advertisement sounds so good that you're psyched up for it to work. It's working. Anyway, I'm happy.
Balance of Nature has made a big difference. It's just one of the greatest products, and it's just so simple, and it works.
Balance of Nature is a fantastic product. You can tell it's real. You can taste it. And it gives you really good energy, and it's just right up there with rent, electric cable, like things that you have to have. I'm not cutting Balance of Nature. No, I love it.
Start your journey to better health with Balance of Nature right now. Call 1-800-246-8751 or go to balanceofnature.com for more information or to place your order. Shipping is always free. And don't forget to get 35% off your first order as a preferred customer by using discount code KSFO. Paid for by Christian Care Ministry.
Let's see, if something costs less, but people are happier with it, that sounds like something to look into, and that's Medishare. Maybe you've heard switching to Medishare to pay for healthcare can save the typical family $500 a month, and that's huge, but it's also true that people are way more satisfied after making the switch, too. The customer satisfaction rate for Medishare is double that of the typical health insurance plan. Medishare works. It's been around for more than a quarter century, and members have shared more than $3 billion of each other's bills. People love having nationwide PPO network, so yeah, you can save a ton and like it better. Imagine being happy with how you're taking care of your health care. So if you're self-employed or part of the gig economy, or you just want you're happy with, you can call right now and get a price within 2 minutes. Very, very smart use of 2 minutes. Here's the number you need. Bible. That's 851 Bible, 855-51 Bible.
Do you suffer from any type of chronic neck or back pain? Whether it's a bulging or herniated disc, sciatica, spinal stenosis, or even bone arthritis. You've probably tried most doctors and get little relief, or are told dangerous medications and surgeries are your only option. Dr. John Filippini in the Danville District for your treatment than ever before. With state-of-the-art equipment and an integrative medical office, you can have 80 to 100% relief within a couple of months. Dr. Filippini has helped thousands of patients, but he's never seen such great results in the last couple of years. This is due to individualized treatment programs that fit each patient's needs and budget. Depending on the treatment, insurance may cover some or even all of your program. Call Dr. Filippini at 925-999-4067 to get in on his $39 exam special, or visit DanvilleDiscDoctor.com for more information. 94067 or DanvilleDiscDoctor.com.
Folks, if you want to play the pandemic, inflation, I'm sure you could use it. Innovation refunds can help. If your business is 5 or more managed to survive COVID, you could be eligible to receive a payroll tax rebate of $26,000. It's not a loan, there's no payback, it's a refund for taxes. The challenge is getting your hands on it. How do you cut through the red tape again? Refunds.com. GetRefunds.com. The team of tax attorneys who put together a highly trained and little-known payroll tax refund program. They've already returned $1 billion to businesses they can help. They do all no charge up front. You simply share a percentage of the cash they get for you. Businesses of all types can qualify, including those nonprofits, even those that have increased. To find out if your business qualifies, just go to GetRefunds.com. Click on qualify and answer a few questions. Is payroll payroll tax refund is only available for a limited amount of time, so don't miss out. Go to getrefunds.com. Get refunds.
You're listening to the Dan Bongino Show on the Bay Area's conservative talk on your radio and smart speaker at 560 KSFO.
America, land of the free, home of the Dan Bongino Show.
So the king, Elvis Presley, love Elvis, can't get enough Elvis. Reunited, his daughter died tragically. Probably heard the story this morning. Lisa Marie Presley died of some cardiac event. We haven't seen many more details out than that, so rest in peace. That was some really rough news to get this morning. Very young, so I believe she was only in her mid-50s. Yeah, I just saw that Elvis movie. Listen, I'm not a big fan of Hollywood. He did an amazing job. Elvis, I love Lisa Elvis. Growing up, my mom was Elvis too. And yesterday I was out, but it was Special Mom's birthday, so I'm not going to let a day go by without acknowledging the passing of the greatest radio host. Just the proof is in the stats, folks. That's not an opinion. That's just hard numbers. My opinion too. But he wasn't of talk radio. He created MSNBC for what, 30-something years? The best player in the league? And it wasn't even a close second. So, too bad we lost him too soon. I miss him too. I'd rather hear his voice on the radio right now than mine. I'm always angry that I'm on the air in lieu of him. I'm doing my best. I'm trying my best to protect our best. Here's what I got coming up. I got more on the Twitter files scandal. How, again, perfectly sums up what they call the deep state. It's really a cabal of non-state actors, too. I got the hard evidence that this thing's a big, huge thing. Folks, thanks for your support. Patriot Mobile emerged as one of the leaders in the parallel economy. Patriot Mobile now offers service with all three regions. That means if you're with the big three and you like the service but you hate their values and security, you can access them with Patriot Mobile. They also offer a performance guarantee. If you're not happy with your coverage, you can switch between three major carriers free. Patriot Mobile is America's only Christian conservative wireless provider. We offer nationwide coverage on the best 4G and 5G networks. They get the same great service while supporting a company that fights to preserve our God-given rights. This new year, stop supporting companies that don't. Patriot Mobile's 100% U.S.-based customer service team is switching. Go today, patriotmobile.com/Dan, or give them a call at 972-PATRIOT. Get free activation today with the offer code Dan. That's patriotmobile.com/Dan, or call 972-PATRIOT.
You're listening to the Dan Bongino Show on the Bay Area's home for conservative talk on your radio and smart speaker. 560 KSFO.
We'll take a look at KSFO traffic.
We have stopped traffic in Fairfield on 80 westbound before Waterman. It's a big rig blocking the right lanes and the off-ramp. It looks like a container was hit and it fell off of the truck. There's no estimated time for a reopen. At this time, traffic is stopped from North Texas Street. Castro Valley, 580 westbound before Castro Valley Boulevard. We have a solo vehicle crash. The two left lanes are still blocked. We have minor injuries, so emergency services are on the scene. You're slow from Eden Canyon. That's traffic. I'm Katie Green.
This report is sponsored by Compassion. War and rising food prices have doubled the number of families facing malnutrition. You can help. $50 provides a food kit to feed a family for a month. Just text the word radio to 97646. This report is sponsored by 3-Dimensional Wealth. Join Doug Andrew of 3-Dimensional Wealth as he teaches free workshops in Morgan Hill, Palo Alto, Dublin, Alamo, and Sacramento, Wednesday, November 9th through Friday the 11th. Call now for details and to register 1-888-73-RADIO.
Paid for by Christian Care Ministries.
Let's see, if something costs less, but people are happier with it, that sounds like something to look into, and that's Medicare. Maybe you've heard switching to Medicare to pay for healthcare can save a family $500 a month.